What's up guys, we're just doing a quick video today to see if airplane mode on your phone does help with the range on the Mavic Mini. So make sure when you turn your drone on that you select the 5.8 gigahertz transmission signal. If you go to manual and change it and select one with the most stable signal, so I'm selecting channel 149. So let's get going. So this first test now is with airplane mode off. So everything's currently on my phone, my Apple Watch is on. So straight away, just then when we left them houses, then we got a first signal interference. We're in a highly populated area here, so it's massive signal interference everywhere. We've got houses to the left hand side and to the front. We've also got a tram track just in the distance there, you can see. So that's also not good. We've just got a strong wind warning at 57 meters. Ideally for this, I'd want to be about 80 meters or 100 meters high. So let's just bring it down a little bit. We're going to have to try and do this around about 50 meters. If I can, I'll try and get it a bit higher. So so this is with everything on the phone. So the Wi-Fi is on, 3G is on. So let's just see if it does actually help the signal. So we're going over at the moment up to 140, 150 there. Like I say, I'll try and get the height a little bit higher if we can do, but it is fairly windy today. So we're now passing over, it looks like some farmland. We're up to 220 meters, no dropping at the moment, still got quite a good signal to the handset. Right, so that's the first week signal there at 260 meters. It's lagging a little bit. We'll carry on to see how much we can get. So we're at 290 now. It's still pretty bad. This is a really populated area, so there's a lot of interference here, so it's not going to get much worse than this unless you're in maybe like a major city. But we're doing well. We're up to 370 meters, pushing it now over that tram tracks. Hopefully we can reach it there. What are we up to now? 417 meters. That's where it's topped out. That's with airplane mode off. That's pretty good, I think. I did notice when I was coming back though, I was flying back, I was getting also a lot of signal interference coming back. Actually worse than after I was heading off. So let's now try it again and we'll put airplane mode on. So this time's everything. I've also turned my Apple Watch off. We're still on the 5.8 gigahertz channel on the same channel 149. So DJI just say that you can get maximum 500 meters on this channel in the CE area. So what we got there before was pretty good, to be fair, but let's try it again with everything off. I'll do it around about the same height as well. If we can push it again to around about 60 meters is where the last one left off. So we'll keep on going. We've had no interference whatsoever yet, so that's a plus point. Oh, we've got another strong warning now at 34 meters, which is even worse, but we'll keep going because I want it to be fair as it was before. So this area here, we were about 50 meters last time, so we'll keep at that. We're still going over. Up to now 190, no dropouts, still got that strong wind warning. I'll try and get it a little bit higher because over this area here before we were around about 55-60 meters. So we're now up to 260. Right, so that's the first signal dropout now at just over 260 meters. Again, this connection's still quite well. It's not lagging as yet. There's a little bit of stuttering now. It's going over this farmland. You can see this tram's coming over as well, so that's going to be causing some interference. We'll 55 meters high. We're at 390 coming up to that now. Still going right. 410. We're going to meet the last one yet. So we've passed the previous distance now, so that's a good thing. We're up to 60 meters. See if we can get it up to this next junction here. All right, so it's locked out there. Last signal lost 464 meters. So that's better. It's definitely better than before. The signal was, could maybe push it a little bit more, but I just wanted to do a quick test to see if it was actually better with airplane mode on or off. So as you can see, with the airplane mode on, it was 465, so about 50 meters more in the distance. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hope that quick video helped you out if you are flying in a urban area. So if you are, make sure you put airplane mode on. See you next time.